So Canadian Tire, we're a family and community related company, and take a look at the people here today. This is community and family, and it's such a natural fit for Canadian Tire to be involved in this event.
When Jeff first purchased Canadian Tire or got involved in our area in Amherstburg, we just went and seen him and asked for his support on the fishing derbies, other sportsman activities, and he was more than generous. And it became a good marriage because we get along excellent. We help him, he helps us, and without Jeff right now, this wouldn't be possible.
Yeah, so who didn't volunteer? I mean, all of the Sportsman Club guys are here and girls doing a great job. Lots of my employees are here serving hot dogs and pop and taking care of the games for the kids, so total community effort.
They're tremendous. We ended up going to the bike rodeo too not too long ago that was hosted partially by and lots of things donated by Canadian Tire. They really do support a lot of family events and everything, and it's great in this community.
All right, guys.